Hey you guys, we have prepared 5 easy Elementor hacks. You only need to free version of Elementor page builder and nothing more. The number 1 is gradient button. Make a button with Elementor button widget, apply background color to it and go to box shadow, pick the color of the shadow and set the position to inside. Now your shadow is inside the button, so you can move the slider to adjust the position and blurriness of gradient, and you can combine any color to create any gradient you want. The number 2 is inline text styles. In the heading widget settings, go to the text input field and wrap a word you want to visually emphasize in a span tag. Then pick the CSS property you want to change and write the style of them. You can change color of font weight or pretty much any other property you can think of. The next is negative margins. See how this powerful technique will help us improve this layout. So we have got 3 columns here, and let's now reduce the width of the second column and go to the settings of widget and add a negative margin to make these 2 columns overlap. Using negative margins, you can also help us achieve a look just like this one. Let's start out with 2 columns of the same height. Now we have to go to the settings of this blue column and add some margins at the top, and at the bottom we could add either positive or negative margin to get 2 different designs. Fourth is vertical divider. Once you need to visually separate 2 elements on the horizontal plane, you can go to the settings of the one of your column, go to the border, choose solid and add the needed border width on the one side and pick the color. Now you can see you have added a vertical divider. The final is parallax image scroll. The fastest and easiest way to get a kind of simple parallax effect on your site is to simply set a background image and change the attachment to fixed. So now when you scroll the page, the image stays completely still. And that was it. Hope you see these tips in your own projects. That's pretty much it. If you want more, subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell not to miss the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and come back for another video on our channel. See you around.